Hey everyone, I am super excited to invite you to a special workshop held on September 6th at 6:30 p.m. at Restore Language Center, in which I will be presenting 15 essential skills of an Arabic learner based on my book of the same title. And in the workshop, we will be looking at 5 essential mindsets, 4 skills, 3 systems, 2 types of interaction that can lead you to achieving what for you is the needed amount of fluency in Arabic that you're looking for. So whether your focus is on Egyptian Arabic, Ammiya, or modern standard Arabic or classical Arabic, Fusha, I think you'll find things that will really help get you on that path and strategies that will help you stay on that path of becoming an effective Arabic learner. Look forward to seeing you there. Ahlan wa sahlan, and I hope that we can connect together on the 6th. See you then.